Hi, I'm Connie from Free Motion by the River, and today we are opening up day 17 of the Advent boxes. This is the box from Missouri Star Quilt Company, and this is the box from Soft Squares. Soft Squares, I can feel fabric and a bag. And there's my package from Missouri Star Quilt Company. So let's see. Let's start with this one first. Missouri Star Quilt Company. Oh, Missouri Star LED lights. 7 foot of little lights. I'll need 2 AA batteries. They're kind of cute. And there's all these little quilts, little quilt pattern on there, little stars. Different. Then we'll go on to day 17 from Soft Squares. That's a big package. Always fun to get a pouch. And in the pouch, all kinds of goodies. There's a lot in here. Day 17, and the value on this is $35. Patchability has designed some of the cutest wall hangings. I have partnered with them to have our very own custom wall hanging for this Advent box. They designed it based on what I asked for, then I took it a step further. Watch my December 17th opening video for the tutorial. Okay, so it's a barn quilt wall hanging. That's cute. And this is a limited edition just for Soft Squares. And it's a 12.5 by 14.5. Then there's also embroidery floss from Riley Blake. Go with it. There are fabrics. And I kind of tell you what the fabrics go. Like clothespin, silver needles. Oh, okay. So there's like a little needle and there's silver. So it's all the fabric that you need. All the fabric for that. The batting. Heat and Bond Light, sewable. And I've got a feeling I'll use some of the fabric that I received in one of the other boxes. There are some crewel needles and a little needle threader. And then a little bag that has some extras in it. There's some little clothespins, binding for a mini quilt, and backing for a mini quilt. So that was day 17. So I hope you enjoyed seeing these, and you'll come back tomorrow for day 18. Thank you.